raise kids and couldn't leave the house to go to work, so they brought the work home.
Giulia Santini rappresentò mia nonna Giulia Mancini. I sacrifici, abbiamo fatto abbastanza.
You're so good. You have to do it. You have to do it. You sound like
you have to Giovanna Mastagna today.
No,
she will.
Yeah, she's gonna laugh.
No, Mom doesn't want her to come. Why? Because she says her needs are bad. She's gonna be sick.
Okay, go. Okay, start from the capo.
Where?
Start from capo.
Top. I don't need to sing again. I sacrifici, abbiamo fatto abbastanza.
I can't do it.
Oh, you can do it. That's good.
Cercavi sempre di risparmiare. Puoi comprare quello? Ma no, lasciamo passare, perché spariamo sto dollaro.
I can't do it.
You're good. You're gonna love it.
I can't do it.
You're doing it perfectly.
But I can't do it at all.
Oh, it doesn't matter if you laugh. I told you, it doesn't matter. Just respect the text.
Questa era la vita. Il giorno tenevo...
That wasn't funny at all. Nobody's laughing.
No, let her get it out of her system now. It's her voice, but she sounds like a lady.
She sounds like an old lady.
She does.
You should totally wear a shawl tomorrow on your head.
Il giorno tenevo qualche bordante. I bordanti pagavano per mese. Oh, che gava, $30. Però da mangiare comprava.
Julie, you managed to take something that's not even funny and make it hysterical. Okay, go. You didn't laugh when we did it in Italian song.
Because I didn't have like the peanut gallery like right now.
No, we were always on you.
But you were pissing yourself.
That's true, we didn't laugh.
Laugh and sleep.
No, because you got everybody crying that day.
No, I went to learn.
And how come we weren't laughing? How come we didn't laugh?
Because everybody was nervous.
Oh, okay, so what were you nervous about?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Compravano loro. Io glielo facevo. Però $30, 35.
We're not laughing at you this time.
I know, but I'm disgusted.
Why did you do that?
You're already on fire. Spreadsheet. Over. Start over.
I'm not starting over.
Oh, you're gonna, oh, now after we're gonna do one more rhyme. Go. You're not leaving it until this thing's perfect.
Io gli passavo tutto. Io gli davo letto, lavavo, stiravo, gli facevo da mangiare. Tutte cose. È stata dura vita.
This is a 20-second piece that you managed to draw in under 2 minutes. It's okay, it's perfect.
And that's it.
And that's it! And we ate our pets.
So upsetting. So I did my whole life. Hi.
No, don't do the hi. Just go, I'm Alicia Barrello, I'm representing my father.
Well, you just said it.
I didn't say the hi.
Okay, whatever.
You just did that.
Yeah.
I did?
Okay, so I'm just going to read my text. Okay. So, my grandfather and my father...
No, do it with your father's name. You have to say who you represent him.
I'm sorry.
It's in English?
Yeah.
Hers is the only one.
Oh.
So I'm Alicia and I'm representing my father, Romualdo Barillero. My grandfather and my father went to the farm to get a lamb. My father put the lamb in the bathroom. The lamb would just walk up and down in there. My brother and I would play with the lamb. This was our pet. It was coming up to Easter, so my grandfather told my father, okay, we gotta do it. So we got these really sharp knives. He tied the lamb by the feet. He starts doing it and we hear bah, bah. We walk in, Dad, you're killing our pet. The thing was still alive and he was cutting it and he couldn't do it. My grandfather had to come up and finish it off. Nobody ate it. To this day, I can't look at lamb.